There it goes.
You gonna give me a whistle? Give me a whistle. Blow a raspberry on your head. Oh, alright, I'll tickle you then.
I wish we could.
She actually said tickle then.
Yes, she did.
Hello. You're on video, Bonnie.
Yeah.
She is.
You're gonna say hello.
Oh,
You've gone shy. Say hello.
She's got to do it for the video.
Say hello. Well, then. You'll get tickled. You're gonna say hello. Say hello.
She's gone shy.
You better not make a mess on that.
Oh.
Sorry.
That's a funny noise.
I'm trying to get her off my sleeve because if she makes a mess, it'll go up my sleeve, and this was clean on today. Come here. On my finger. There. I'm not too high now, Chris.
Nah, I've got her in. I think I've got her in focus. Oh, there she is. Oh, cute.
Honey. No, I think I'm going to put you on your cage in a minute. I don't like the way you're restless.
She's
No.
about to do it.
I have a feeling.
Yes.
Oh, there she is on the cage. Ah, she's up on the cage. Oh, she's gorgeous.
You're on film. Woohoo!
You can tell that as well. She's looking and she's kind of bobbing up and down a little.
Yeah, she knows.
Tickle.
Hey.
Oh.
That's cute when she does that.
No, stay there. Stay. As soon as I put my hand up to stroke her, she's trying to get on my hand. I'm trying to train her out of that. Oh, look, soft bird.
Oh.
No, stay down. Mocky Bonnie. She likes that look, Chris.
Oh, yeah, she's...
I'm stroking her the wrong way, Mark, the back of her head.
Oh, and it goes all fluffy.
And she's kind of bobbing down so you can do it as well.
It's like, ah.
Oh, you
Nice.
love that, don't you?
She's kind of bobbing her head down so you can do that all you like.
Yeah.
It's very cute.
You whistling? Oh, see that one? Or even, come on, Bonnie. Good girl.
That is so cute when she does that.
Because as soon as I put my finger to my lip, she knows I'm going to do it. So she
Yeah,
goes first.
she responds. Hello.
I'll show you another funny one she does. She might not do it because she's out of the cage. But if I go to put my shoe, pretend I'm going to put my shoes on, as soon as I sit on the stair, she'll squeak like this. Remember the squeaky chair used to be in here?
Yeah,
Right, if I go out here.
she's sitting on the top of there. She's looking around.
Down on the stair now.
She did!
Yeah? Right, got it. I've just found it. Oh no, it was the 13th of the 7th.
Bonnie, you're cute.
She's
Yeah,
cute.
that was last month. That was your last one. Yeah.
She's cute.
Oh, I've got the number upstairs.
You are cute.
She's cute.
Aren't you? Yes.
Right, let's try this one.
No, she's not. Oh.
She's doing squeaks. And she's sort of just sitting on the...
No, she's not going to do it. She knows I'm not actually going anywhere. But usually if she hears me put my shoes on and then put my...
I think she's come down the cage and I think she's gone in.
Oh.
She's come down the front.
Yep, she's gone in.
Oh, bless her.
Cute.
She come down the cage and then...
She would say, oh, I'll go in now.
I'm going to go in now.
I'll go in.
Yeah, that's because I've gone out. It's because I've gone out the room. She's like, oh, she's left me out. Oh dear, excuse me. Falling down. Tickle yourself.
Yeah. She's very cute. She's a great birdie.
A fluff ball. Oh,
Hello.
soft.
So,
If you do a certain thing, she'll go...
You're going to say, oh.
She's very cute.
Well, don't you like the floor?
Tickle.
oh.
I'm trying to get to...
Elapsed time 5 minutes 1 second to
Oh, it's 5 minutes.
0%.
Gonna say,
Adjustable.
do it on.
Swipe up or down to adjust the value.
That's what I don't want yet, but...
Mode. Stop record.
Oh, sorry, Bonnie.
Button.
Oh, it's been
She said tickle again.
tickle.
Fluffy.
You did.
She's got her head right down like I'm rubbing the back of her neck.
Oh.
I'm rotating her head in my hands.
Oh.
She's great.
I'm gonna say hello, Bonnie. Say hello.
Tickle.
I am tickling.
Viewfinder.
Oh, sorry.
Tap to focus.
She's a great little birdie.
Say hello. Say hello. No, say hello. What I'm doing, I've stopped tickling her. I'm still stroking her.
But not
But she's
tickling
got to
it.
say hello before she'll get a rub on the back of her neck.
Oh.
Yeah.
Say hello.
Ah.
Say hello.
She knows.
Or I'll blow a raspberry on your head.
Ah.
Tickle?
Cheeky
Tickle?
Bonnie. Cheeky Bonnie.
She's cheeky.
Do it.
She's cheeky.
She's not doing it.
You're not playing, are you? You know you're being recorded. Little fluffy.
She's been recorded in 2 places.
Yeah.
Been YouTubed and she's also been
Oh.
You must have been what?
zoomed.
Oh yeah. That's funny.
She was funny before you came. She was on her own in the living room. And she was going... kind of whistling to herself.
Oh, that was dead funny.
Oh, the old Archer's theme. Oh, she's great, honest.
You'll
Peter,
get
Peter.
Peter,
Are you going to blow kisses? Are you going to blow kisses? Oh, go on, blow kisses.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Oh,
That's cute.
It's like, tickle, tickle, tickle.
supposed to blow kisses. Mm. Get off.
She keeps saying tickle, but she's...
She was licking under my nail and it went tickle.
Oh.
Stupid bird. I don't know why you're leaning backwards.
She's a funny little thing, isn't she? She's so entertaining.
When Tor's family was here, his mum
Elapsed
kept
time.
going, cuckoo.
7 minutes,
Did
49
she learn it?
seconds.
Did she?
No, but she likes it. She stops and listens when I do that.
Video. Dimmed. Button. Switches camera mode to
Come on, Bounce, you do it.
She don't want to do it.
Rubbish.
You're rubbish.
You're rubbish.
Rubbish.
You're rubbish.
It's the way that Bobby did that time. I wish I'd had a phone like this then. I
You're
could...
rubbish.
Well, an iPod.
Oh
So
yeah.
what you want to do, Christian, right, is get, when you do videos, can you edit them?
Yeah, you
I was
can...
going to say what you can do is get, if you get a really good one, just to edit the really good bit.
Yeah, it's difficult to know when to do it, but I generally put the big ones up because people like quite large vids. 10 minutes is usually what YouTube takes.
I can't do YouTube anymore. Because my Mac doesn't have a flash player on it at all. My Windows one's ancient and Clango stopped working.
Oh.
Clango won't play them anymore.
Stop
It does the
recording
silent
video.
thing like it used to do before. Why
Oh.
are you grinding your beak, you wombat? Wally, wombat.
Ooh.
45. 2. Elapsed. 9 minutes,
Yeah.
6 seconds.
Oh yeah.
Stop recording video. Button.